Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to the beautiful state of Nevada. We are here in Las Vegas. If you haven't noticed behind me, we got, as Strandman would say, views on views. Just look at this beautiful view from the Cosmo. And well, if you guys don't know yet what we do in Vegas when we're here, we have to go over to Royalty Exotic Cars and pick up a car. Last two times we were here, if you don't remember, if you haven't seen the videos, we rented the Aventador Roadster and the 488 Spider. I'll put links in the description below for those videos if you want to check them out. Highly suggest it. But I'm going to give you a 5-second pause here and you guys guess in the comments below what car we're picking up today. I think you guys might be excited. Now, I will explain one thing before we head over there, is yesterday we did have a car booked and we were going to pick up a car, and it was a car you guys voted on last year to actually get, and I thought we'd get that this year, but it turns out unfortunately the two they have in stock were both damaged, so we had to pick another car, and that car wasn't available until tomorrow. So we're going to pick that up now. We're going to head over there. By the way, I know it's not Canada Day now when you're watching this, but it's Canada Day today when we're filming this. So happy Canada Day to all of my fellow Canadians out there. Thank you for the support. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. I'm going to be enjoying my day here in Vegas on Canada Day. And well, guess what? Without further ado, let's head over to Royalty and pick up that monster of a car. I think you guys will enjoy it. So stick. Royalty Exotic. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. Welcome back to Royalty, guys. Man, it feels like forever since I've been here. And we got some nice lineups outside. Got the Veyron 40, which is the one we rented last time. And look at that. Bam! We got the 918. I believe that's Houston's actual car, newly wrapped. That looks phenomenal. Wow! All the carbon fiber. My favorite part of the car is the exhaust tips. 458. Let's go inside and see. We're gonna have some fun in the Aventador S Roadster. Well, let's hop inside and get our day started today. Oh, man, naturally aspirated. Doors go up. First stop is Starbucks run, but boy oh boy does that scream. That's even better than the Aventador Roadster we rented last time, well the first time. So this time we got the 2018 Lamborghini Aventador S Coupe, and my god, does it scream. You guys are going to enjoy this video today. I tell you, this never gets old. Woo. Guys, ready for this? Not so, let's call this a warm start. Always got to put it in manual. And my favorite on the Aventador, Corsa, because of that screen. Look at the difference. Normal, and then you've got the nice little race car F1 type screen. Man. What the?
We say bye-bye.
Launch control in 3, 2, 1, go! This is so violent! This is definitely under 55! That was definitely under 55, ladies and gentlemen. We do not speed here on this channel. Better pull. What a beautiful, beautiful back end. Whew, you can feel the heat. Well, you guys can't, but I can. And something I'll never get tired of. I know, we have to give it back, unfortunately. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video with the car. May or may not be the last time with doors up on the channel, so stay tuned for the next couple weeks for that. New car is coming to the channel, so I don't know, maybe a glimpse into the future. What do you think? Make sure check out Royalty Exotic Cars. I'll leave a link in the description below. But just like that, we're getting in the Uber, we're heading back to the hotel, getting on the plane, and I'll see you guys back in Toronto. That's going to do it for today's video. Unfortunately, we didn't have that great of a breakfast, but thank you guys for coming along on this adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I enjoyed making it as always. And until next time, Vegas, that's it. We'll be back though. Hopefully, Houston and the guys at Royalty has got something new next time we come. Maybe like a year or so. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like these videos. Remember, give me a like, crush that like button, crush that subscribe button down below. Enjoy these views while they last. If you want some merch, link is in the description below. 10% off just for you beauties. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.